Number 6. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity may not look like rising technology, on condition that it's been around for a minute. However, it's evolving even as alternative technologies are. That's in part because threats are constantly new. The malevolent hackers who are trying to illegally access data are not going to give up anytime soon, and they will continue to find ways to get through even the toughest security measures. It's conjointly partly as a result of new technology as being custom-made to reinforce security. 3 of these advancements are hardware authentication, cloud technology, and deep learning, according to one expert. Another adds data loss prevention and behavioral analytics to the list. As long as we've got hackers, we'll have cybersecurity as an rising technology. As a result of it'll perpetually evolve to defend against those hackers. As proof of the strong need for cybersecurity professionals, the number of cybersecurity jobs is growing 3 times faster than other tech jobs. However, we're falling short once it involves filling those jobs. As a result, it's foreseen that we'll have 3.5 million empty cybersecurity jobs by 2021. Many cybersecurity jobs pay 6-figure incomes, and roles can range from the ethical hacker to security engineer to chief security officer, offering a promising career path for someone who wants to get into and stick with this domain.